boys and girls, my name is Ollie Heath. Welcome to my Rhythm Nation. You're part of the Rhythm Nation already. You were born with a heartbeat. That's it, that's yours. You already have rhythm. Music really is truly everywhere. I'm gonna take you on some adventures of sound. I'm gonna take you to Disney parties where you can make music with a BB-8. With an Iron Man. You can make music on a discovery walk. Music absolutely anywhere and everywhere, and I want to share with you how you can do it. Have you ever listened to beats on the radio? Some beats and some electronic sounds and like, whoa, that is cool. I wish I could make music like that too. Well, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how you could use an iPad, an iPhone, and turn those things into the most amazing music studios ever. Whoa, yeah! And make music. So, what are you waiting for? You want to join the Rhythm Nation, don't you? You want to come on some adventures? You want to learn how to make some beats of your own? Well, of course you do. So come and join me, come and join the Rhythm Nation. All you got to do is like this video. All you got to do is subscribe to this video and hit that bell. Mama, Daddy, I got to hit some bell. Where's this bell? I can't find no bell. Then I will take you on an adventure with me. Where are we gonna go? Let's see. Now remember, Rhythm Nation, listen with care because music is everywhere.